Andre. That's the short. Give me the long A.
A.
A. He's practically Canadian already. Yeah.
It's funny how quickly time slips by. One moment, these little ones are nothing but tiny balls of fluff, huddled under the light, peeping away. And before we even notice, their feathers start coming in, their personalities start showing, and suddenly, they're not quite babies anymore. Watching them change each day is a reminder of how fast life moves. Growth doesn't happen in big leaps and bounds that we can see all at once. It happens in the small, ordinary moments. A little more confidence, a little more curiosity, a little more independence, until one day we realize how far they've come. And here's the irony. We talk about time flying, but these little chicks, well, they'll never really take flight. Sure, they flap and flutter, and they might get a few inches off the ground, but chickens were never meant to soar. Maybe that's what makes them so endearing. They remind us that growth isn't about flying higher than anyone else. It's about simply becoming what you're meant to be. So as we watch them scratch, peck, and wobble their way through these first days, I can't help but smile. Time does fly, but sometimes it's enough just to enjoy the journey, even if the wings never really take you far.
Good morning, YouTuber. I'm going to tell you about my weeks. So my weeks went good because today today is a special day, like fruits day, and do some favorite work and yeah, and play, yeah. And my week was good because I did some schoolwork and I get them right, and I do some homework yesterday and get it right, and then I do my chores and then go play iPad. And that's my end of my story. Bye, YouTubers. In the evening, I will see you. Bye.
Good morning. Happy Tuesday. You know what they say? Fake it till you make it. That's what they say. I would make a joke about homework and referencing juniors faking it till they making it. But I'm older and wiser now, and That wouldn't be appropriate.
Yeah.
It's like Junior in his marina this morning. Proud moment, right? Junior, was your marina on backwards? Nope, it wasn't. Was it on inside out? Yep, it was. But we're going to call that progress because normally it's backwards and inside out. Speaking of backwards, yeah, the motto, the theme for today of time flying when you're having fun. Look at that. Face is washed. Uniform's on. Marina's on. Chore chart's updated from yesterday. Whoo. Things are changing quickly. Not only are the kids taking up the iron, they're taking up marinas and putting them on almost correctly. Taking up coffee. Yeah, the little ones, the chickens. They're spreading their wings. Oh, I know why they made a top for this thing. Bye, Quena. Because, as Junior likes to say, let's take a live feed. What happens when you just give them a little bit of freedom? Hey, guys, girls, ladies, I hope. We'll find out in a couple weeks who's making a mess in here. Yeah, watch. Let's see what happens. Roy! Oh, hi. That was quick. Good morning. You good? Yeah, you're the leader. And then there's the other one behind you that says, well, if you can do it, anything you can do, I can do better. And then we're out. Yeah. See, I have fears that that one on the right is a rooster. Because he's like the leader, the noble one, the brave soul. And the other one just kind of follows him. So we could have one of each. Yeah. We have a rule when we head outside. Yep. Oh. No doo-dooing outside, you hear? Junior, what's the rule?
Do poop outside.
Yes, no doo-dooing outside. Yeah. Okay, we're good? Yeah. Change is happening. Speaking of change, look at those wings. Look at those wings, man.
It's a rooster because we have white and
Oh, really, Junior?
you have a mom,
They
a
both.
black mom.
Wow, that's the. I didn't know that was the way to tell, but yeah, you're getting some brown wings coming in. Oh. Okay, there's room for two. Okay, I know. Good morning. Hi. Hi. Junior.
Hey, I know what time rubbish truck came last night.
Late or early, I don't know. Rubbish truck came last night, honking his horn.
And then the guy said, why this rubbish pan there so far?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And what did Sonia say?
Me, when me make sure when he take up the one, there's some grown, he said, oh, look, we don't want to take up the other one.
Yeah.
So he take up the one round, so the guy said, why this rubbish pan there so far? And I think so me also to them.
Would you say something if it was morning?
Maybe.
Did they put it back?
I don't know. Go.
We'll find out. Just stay tuned. Oh well. Morning. Yeah, I know. Speaking of spreading their wings.
All I'm saying, why don't we put the rubbish pan?
All right. Happy Tuesday. Who needs TV anymore? You just put a couple chickens in your living room. Watch what happens. Yeah, there's the brave one. Hi. Don't poop on the rug. Oh, there's your friend. Yeah. Hey, we're not supposed to be on the rug, guys. Come on. Let's go. Yeah, we need to stay on the tile, okay? That's the rule. Great. You know when you have a moment and you just like think to yourself, like, how did I get here? This is what my life has become. Coffee and chickens. Yeah, you. Good morning. This is our life, guys. You get to head outside next week. I know. I'm excited too. Speaking of excited, we're already exploring how to best integrate them to the outside universe. And I think we're going to try to build a mobile protective unit out of some PVC that has some. This just hear me out. My old friend Ueli had some back in his day, back on his property. Let's see if I can find any pictures or videos of it. But
Yeah, I mean, all the eggs that we're not able to sell, like, when they're cracked or they have some little defect or super dirty,
right,
then I would just, keep it in the farm and consume ourselves.
right. But yeah, it's basically an enclosed area with some chicken mesh, PVC to build it up, a little place for them to nest, and it's movable. It's light enough where you can leave them there for a few days and move it over for a new patch of land for them to explore, and then put it next to the other ones, the moms, and see how well that gets integrated. I don't know. We'll figure it out. It's a work in progress. This isn't gonna happen forever. You guys are growing so quick. Seems like just yesterday you guys were coming out of your shell. Speaking of coming out of the shell, Dave, what's up?
No.
Liar. Oh, you got some news to tell him. Mm-hmm.
Good morning, YouTube. So I'm going to tell you guys great news. So they switched me from track and field to football, and in this week, yesterday I practiced how to control ball and keep our head straight. Then we do like 5 laps around the field, and in visual arts, Miss made us create a art, and in business basic, we did a test about communication, and in guardians, we learn about emotions. So, and I'm looking up, and I'm looking for a pair of shoes. That was my camp.
Hey guys, we'll play again later. Promise. Nobody pooped outside, so we're gonna call that one a win. Right, Junior? No pooping outside. Yeah. Wish we all lived by that motto, don't it? Oi. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Morris. Morris. We gotta get up, man. Ah, school's coming. Ah. Come on, man. Pushing the button. Turn on. You gotta turn on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Close enough. No. 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 This is not where you're supposed to go, sir. This is not where you're supposed to go, sir. Get up. We're going to school. We're going to school. It's time to get up, dude. It's time to get up, dude. It's time to get up, dude. Hello? You're smiling. I know you're still awake. Stop smiling. Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling? You shouldn't be smiling if you're sleeping. School days. We're going to school. We're going to school. Buddy, pal, hi. Let me see this. Do you see this? Junior has fruits day today. So, Junior, this is evidence. You know what this is? Mm-hmm. Evidence, yes. Junior, this comes back. I'm putting one of my prized papayas in this thing for him. That's, wow, you can't, wow. I don't share my papayas with everybody. But, Junior, this doesn't come back. Guess who's not touching an iPad tonight? Guess. Right. Try again. You're close. No, try again. Yay! That's right. You can eat the papaya, but this needs to come back. Got it? Any questions? Stay tuned. Yo,
Ready over there?
I'm hiding.
Ready over there?
Okay. Good luck, Junior.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bring it back. Current time is 7:19. They got 1 minute for any of the extra money they've been requesting. It's getting close. Hurry up, dude. 30 seconds. It doesn't matter. You need to be leaving. Choose wisely. Dave, less is more. Dave. Dave, it's not going to get any better. Why? Good. Cool. Goodbye. 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 Sonia says bye. Outside the gate. Outside the gate. Goodbye. 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 Gentlemen, nobody touches phones or iPads till socks and underwear get washed when you get home. Okay. Goodbye. I know, Dave. I know. Goodbye. I know, Dave. Have fun. There you go. There they go. 7:21. Mares. Craig, I can still see you. Go to school. Go to school. Go to school. Go to school. School time. Tea's ready. Yay! Go to school. Bye. Don't forget the Tupperware, Junior. It's going to be a long night. Uh-huh. Yeah. Good luck. Almost there. Almost there. Goodbye. Yay. You're going the wrong way. Oh, turn. Okay. You did it. Sweet. Oh, are you ready? You ready? You ready? Man, I got you looking like grandpa pants. Really, Swan? How high up do you think those pants need to go? Mister, my waist is at my navel. You look great, dude. Let's see what time it is. Sir, 10 minutes. Yeah. Get them on, man. We gotta go. Bye. See you later. Have a good day. Bye. Honey? He left. Yo, you're going the wrong way. Oh boy. We're going to school. Oh, here comes the school bus. Okay. That's a big bus. Come on. Don't be scared. We're not riding that one yet. Just when I thought this little guy was done for, Swan, I think I see another little leaf thing coming out. I think he's hanging on, hanging in there. She's excited. Yep, it's still alive. Meanwhile, yeah, we are going strong. I'm gonna turn these guys every few days to get balanced sun rotation, but yeah, they are looking pretty stoked about that whole life thing. Yeah. Well, I was right in my assumption. Tomorrow did not mean tomorrow. It meant until the next time we see you. So, the gazebo's standing still. Getting closer. There's some grout and some finished piping. It'll be back, and the war zone will be over. Speaking of war zone, came back yesterday to clean out some of the, dare I say, weed and grass friends. Only to find out there's some critters that like to eat my cauliflower leaves. So, thankfully, Doc said some neem oil will work for that as well. So we're gonna spray away. But they're growing still, which is obviously a good sign. Thank you. Cool. You good? Found you. Yeah. You need to get off of my eggplant, sir. Yeah. Yeah, this is not okay. We're gonna fix this. Come here. Yeah, you bet you can't. You can run, but you can't hide, dude. Thank you. Yeah, you. Whoa, too close. You need to stay off of my eggplant. Okay? Yeah, we're gonna find you a new home, okay? Okay, good talk. Say goodbye. We got one there. And hi. I think you're ready to go. Cool. All right. All right. Thank you, ladies. Oh. Cool. Okay, we are taking the day by the horns, or the whatever you take the day by. Yeah, we got some things to pick up. Somebody's got a birthday coming up, and we gotta go pick up some blessings. Is that a good way to put it? And we gotta try to get some funds for the month of October. One of the ABMs in town's been under construction, so hoping that's gonna work out. We might even do some burgers tonight for dinner. Who knows? Could top it with a cucumber. Lettuce isn't ready yet, but yeah, I'm proud of us. We got out. It's 10:13. We might even be lucky enough to find some more peanut porridge if it still exists. She's coming. We're going. Hi.
That's one about dinner. Oh, it's $50 still there.
Yep. It's a savings. Oh, so it's going in your purse?
No, because probably we not drive most of the time. You won't need if you in popsicle tomorrow too.
This is the world we live in now. He's gonna need it for his popsicle. You know what? The garbage bin's still there. That's good. When I don't recall getting a popsicle every day. It was a treat. It was a once in a week moment. Like, what? We get popsicles? And now it's every day. I need a popsicle, a patty, a juice,
17 snacks. Like,
On a 17 stocky pinnacle, right?
I don't know. Don't they have lunch?
Then get lunch what time? Not even know.
Honey, I'm just entertained by the idea that we have to eat all of the time. Like, so much.
There are kids, I think to them.
They are kids.
They sure like it.
You headed to Highgate? You want a trip? Come on in. No, but he's going to. Tomatoes are a little expensive now. Hope they start growing on the tree soon. We got. What else do we get?
Burger, chicken burger.
Oh yeah, chicken burger.
Chicken salami or chicken whatever you want to call it. Some chicken.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh yes. We also got a reminder to be vigilant. You know what that means? That means when you give your money to the person at the register, make sure you count your change as a foreigner, because when they give you $1,000 less than what you're supposed to get back, you have to kindly remind them that they gave you $1,000 less than what you're supposed to get back. And then they apologize, and then you say it's okay. And then
I'm sure they stay at the guy was selling tomato.
no. The place where I just picked up the mouse poison at.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
I know. But on top of that, we also got pure honey. Pure honey for my honey. She's excited. And now we're going home. Also excited. Alright, well, a little rain, a little sun. The respite is over. Time for round 2. Bye, puppy. I know. Gotta go get Mars. Gotta get home. Gotta feed the dogs. What else?
I'm going to clean off the stove now.
Ooh, gotta clean off the stove.
Oh, she put her meals
What?
in the kitchen.
What?
Well, clean off the stove. Wash your plate of meals in the kitchen. Wash your plate in the kitchen. Alright? Brush my foot.
Sonia and Spot are having fun.
You know,
He gets a little You could have fed him.
You could have feed him.
Ask Sonia when's the last time she fed the dogs.
Ah, don't feed the dog.
What? The dogs eat?
I take up the dog poop, you feed the dog.
Yeah, that's right.
That's the easiest work when I get
We
fed
take
up.
care of the front end, you take care of the back
No,
end.
I'm not like to have dog poop, it stink. When you want to do, you don't want to feed the dog, easy job.
That's an easy job, but someone's got to do it. Let me go get Marcus. And again, I had a first car was a 1988 Chevy Sprint, little 3-door hatchback. Those were the days. All right, we'll see you soon. It's a good ankle too, huh? What's up, man? Oh, almost. Come on. Up. Up. Wow, you brought me a snack? What'd you bring me? Are those cookies? I love cookies.
And I eat that.
Not, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, I think I saw something in there. A sweetie? Oh, it's not cookies?
No.
Oh, no, no, no.
All in there, bag up your crumbs.
Crumbs?
Not all, man.
Ray, let's hope they don't end up in the car, okay? Cool. Can we get our seatbelt on?
Look.
Oh, cheese curls. Lad. Let's put our seatbelt on so we can get out of here. You ready? Well, then sit in the other seat. Yay, round 2. All right, sir. We got a decision to make here. And I went shopping, okay? You got to decide whether you want this one, or you want this one. You don't even want to smell them first? Should we smell them first? All right, blind smell test. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Smell this one. Ooh. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, you open your eyes. Smell this one. Ow. Ooh, they both smell pretty good. You got to decide. Which one do you want? You only get one.
Blue one.
The blue one. All right, go show Nana. Tell her to try it on. Maybe she'll try it on you. Is that the one? Oh. Get a little spritz. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Calm down, Nana. All right, smell test. Come. Ooh, you smell good. All right, where are we gonna put that so we don't lose it? Nana's bathroom. Here we go. Tuesday afternoon. Good smelly in addition. Hey, give me the cologne. Give me the cologne. Take up your dirty socks. Take up your dirty socks. What are you doing? No, where's your dirty socks? I see it. No, you can't hide it. It's under the pillow. It's under the pillow. It's on the floor. Where's the other one? Oh no, you lost a sock. That means you definitely can't play iPad. How did it disappear?
Oh yeah, my pen.
Oh yay! Go ask Nana what to do with him.
What you did right there?
Oh okay.
Is it?
Go ask Nana where to put him.
And then I put them.
In the basket in the room, dirty clothes basket in the room.
Okay.
Yo.
There they go.
Look here.
All right. All right. Let's go play. Cool.
afternoon, sir. Just walk in like you own the place. They won't know the difference. All right, you did it. All right. You only can have 2 legs to get in. Come on, bouncer. Oh. Uh-oh. All right, let's let the two-leggeds have to come in. Andre, reach, Andre. You're going the wrong way. Come. All right. Okay, Mars, you get the book. All right, you distract the dog. Where are you going? Oh, you okay? We'll stay here. All right. Okay. How was school today, sir? Why was it good? You don't know why it was good? Oh, it's good because you survived and got back to your phone in one piece? Yay!
Can you please? Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
How about we talk about when your homework's gonna get done?
Tonight.
What time?
Tonight.
What time?
Do you know how to do that?
I haven't done that in like 30 years, dude.
Not done.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
I
Okay.
can't do it.
Yeah, you can't do it, but I can put in Wi-Fi, so I guess I'm pretty good too. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. Did you forget something? Oh, we should try again. Oh, I'm sorry. You forgot something. What did you forget?
Thank you.
Oh, THANKYOU. 2 books? 2 books? 2 books?
Yep. You what?
Oh, okay. Well, Junior's here. Junior, what's the one thing you brought to school today you're supposed to bring back? Besides yourself, and your bag, and your books, and your shoes.
Plate.
Let me see it. Wow, he even kept the skins for the compost. Thank you. How was it? How was it?
It was sweet.
Sweet. Great. Okay. I imagine you're gonna wash it too.
And
What's the homework today, sir?
wait a minute.
How about you sit up and say it? Yes, sit up.
September 30, 2025. Language art, page 7.
1 page. That's it. So take out your language arts book, put everything else back. You're gonna need to put the skins in the compost and wash the plate. And then we'll talk about iPad. And your marina needs to change. Any questions? Cool. Yay!
See that?
Ooh.
Collective nouns.
Collective nouns. Junior, you start reading now, we'll do it. You better go put it on the table and everything else away.
I'm here, but guys, remember this morning I was telling you about my day, and I was telling you back this in the evening I'm going to tell you about my day. So my ear back. So today was fruit day. Eat some papaya, some banana, and some watermelon. And then I went to class. Do some schoolwork, lunchtime, eat some brown stew chicken, and then me eat some brooks, and then do some work again, and then school over, and then I go to the rest of class. That is my end of my day. Thank you.
Gentlemen, there's 2 of these. There's 2 of you. I don't know how. No. Listen carefully. This is a conversation.
Want the green one.
Dave wants the green one.
One, this one, yeah.
Okay, problem solved. I'm not throwing it. Blue one.
White.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Spikes. It's strong
Watch
like
out.
dog.
Great.
Smell cow.
I've smelled them.
It's not
You don't want them? I will take it.
I want.
Good. Put it in a safe place. I'm giving your brother 500 to get his own because he does. Future, if you guys want 500 for your own for next month, and I don't have to shop for any of them, fine. If you want me to keep getting them for you, and that's easier for you, that's fine too.
500 I pay for this?
No, it was actually 420. 420. No 420 jokes. Oh, okay. Here you go, sir. Oh, you don't want it. That face looks like you don't want it. Huh? What is it? It's sweetie.
No, who's it?
This is yours. That's when I say here you go. That means it's for you. No, Junior, it's not sweetie. Did you want it? It looks like you don't want it. I can try it. Hold on. Maybe it's poisonous. I could try it for myself. Or did you want it? Did you want to check the scent? Oh, here, you lost the cap. Don't spray it in your mouth. Okay, that's one way how to do it. Hi. Yeah, that smells amazing. If you don't want it, I will take it back.
That's good.
Oh, you sure? Okay. All right, don't forget it or it'll disappear. Actually, let's not put that there because I don't want it to disappear. Let's see if Sonia will let you keep it in the bathroom. Smelly stuff. Yay. Okay, sir. Ooh, long A sounds today. Morris, Andre's working on the long A sound. Whoa. Do you know what sound the long... Oh, what are you working on? Stickies. Yay, your tickies. Yeah, you need to go to the right page. Nana? Well, cool. Long A sound. Andre, pop quiz. What sound does the long A sound make? Andre, that's the short. Give me the long A. A. He's practically Canadian already. Yeah. Abel. Angel.
Argon.
Andre. Aaron.
Active.
Ancient. All these are going to have the A sound, Andre.
Acorn.
Good.
Arrow.
Aorta. That's a part of the heart. Wow. Apron. They're all going to have the A sound. Age. Age. Okay.
Paper.
Paper. Yes. Baby. Okay. Junior, what do you have?
Collective now.
Collective nouns. And Dave has
tools. Color with numeral tools.
Doctor penmanship here.
You know,
You're dividing.
me never did do no work because me did do grade the work already. You know, music.
How you to
Yeah,
collect
me get one graded work.
Junior, look at the example.
Okay.
Miss out the
Mr.
language.
Keys.
There is large collect book
Okay. What's your homework?
of collect book
No, no.
in the
So you need a
parish
homework.
library.
Yeah, one right
They
in a row.
farmer
Write a page about your day.
loaded the hill of yam.
Junior.
Yes.
Junior. Junior.
You know my journal?
You have a journal? Okay.
Of yam and the
Junior.
Tyler, it says a
Junior. Morris! Do you know what time it is? Oh, let me try again. Andre, what time is it? Oh, yeah.
My school day, first of all, I went to school and I went to devotion. After devotion, I went to my foreign class and I registered my name. Secondly, I went to English language class and did some classwork and interrogative sentence, and then I went to another class. I did some maths work and tax. Then I went out for my lunch. I bought a water and a patty for my lunch, and then I played some game on my friend phone. Finally, I went to IA class and I sat down and I have already done my work. In music, I did a graded work on spellings of what are sounds. After school, I went to football training and then I learned how to control ball. Then I did 5 laps around the field. That was my school day.
All right, so there we were in the middle of homework time, and the Quena came by. Show him, Quena. Yeah, look what she found. Quena's busting out prototypes already. Don't be confused. That we have. We are official. We have a locally sourced screen printer, and we'll see. We're gonna. I don't know. We might have to make hats. Yeah, we'll see.
Me have one plain white t-shirt.
Oh boy, Sonia's already thinking. We got a meeting tomorrow with the October YouTube budget. Maybe we'll fit it in. Who knows?
November.
Tomorrow's October. And now we're gonna get our work done. Quena?
Not YouTuber.
No, Quena, it's not good night time. We're working. Here's a Quena cam for you. Well.
That's YouTubers. So my days today is so nice because I do PE today and then we go for lunch and then after lunch we eat, then we play a little bit. After we go back in a class, do English, yes, and then that's all we do today. We don't do much today, so yeah. Have a good day today. Yeah.
Hey, you gonna tell your friend to come on? She's afraid. Oh ho ho! It's a balance beam right there. Jump! Yay! Knew you could do it. Meanwhile, yeah, learn some great new vocabulary today. My wife has often used this term, sessajar and chessajar, and I had no idea. I was like, oh, that's a funny name for that thing, but okay. Turns out, once you do some reading in Andre's book, you find out, oh, she's saying sets of drawers and chest of drawers. I just didn't know the whole time. Uh-oh. Whoa, the non-brave one jumped first? What? What's going on? Frady jumped first? Oh no, you invited Andre. Watch out, run, I know, it's Andre. What's up, bro? That's my foot. Hi.
If you pick me, don't be there.
Calm down, Andre. He's just checking out the surroundings. Hi, can I have my foot back? No?
You can get down if you want.
Uh-huh. Andre, nice and easy, dude. Well, there's
Don't you feel something?
like his heartbeats or he's breathing. Yeah, that's
Are pumping blood around his body.
that's probably it too. Hi.
Oh, good night, YouTubers.
Good night, YouTubers.
What is this? This is soft.
I know, it's crazy.
Whoa. I like his wings.
Well, don't pull on him though.
Nah.
Okay.
You can play it. Whoa. He almost jumped out of my hand.
Yes. Chickens. Wait. Chicken. Chill. Hi. You need to chill. Tell the YouTubers good night. Tell the YouTubers good night. Andre, tell the YouTubers good night.
Good night, YouTubers.
Without scaring the chickens. Cool. Okay.
Udah